Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and good morning, everyone. We have got us a little haul video for you today from IGel Beauty and BRC Nails Tips xpieces.com. We're gonna start with IGel Beauty. It's not a lot in here, it's just a couple things, and I'm gonna slide my match around already. Break everything out of the box. I don't know, which is this item right here. This is a no cleanse. Oh, it is a no wipe top coat. Beautiful. So this is in a blue bottle. It's normally in a white. So this is in a different bottle. So I got that. This is a no cleanse top coat. So I have two no wipe top coats right here that I ordered from them. This would be for, this is a gel top coat, it says. So this one here I think you would wipe off. One of these, just a duo. Here we have got the white I ordered, which would be gel and a lacquer. The one thing I love about IGel Beauty is that you can buy with their 60% off. They have these, well, they have the duos no matter what. The other duos, one gel, one lacquer. With 60% off, you end up paying like $6, $5 or $6 for these. I have not swatched the lacquer. It doesn't look white to me. This is supposed to be winter white. DD164 winter white. To me it does not look winter white. I have pilfered through these previously, and this looks milky to me. I mean, it looks white on here, but let me show you my swatch stick that I did. This is one coat. It's milky. I'm not happy with it. I did DM them on Instagram to see if I can swatch it out, see if the formula was bad, something, I don't know. So those are the polishes that I purchased. These are some stickers. They have their stickers on sale for $1 a pack, so I couldn't resist. Plus with 60% off, it's just a great deal. Here we have got butterflies. Here we have got, I don't even know what we got some dream catchers up here. My vision still is not, we got dream catchers down here. The rest of it is not clear to me. Here we have got some Louis Vuitton. I ordered two, which I don't know if I'm going to keep one, maybe have a designer giveaway. I did the same with these, ordered two. Okay, these are, I don't know if these are glow in the dark. or if they're just white. But we've got these here. These are, I don't know what they are. Christian Dior. That's what the bottom thing right there says, I don't know. Here, I can't see what these say. I have to put these over black polish. These here, I believe are the same. These are, oh I'm sorry, these are Louis Vuitton, I think. Yeah, Louis Vuitton for both of those. This one here, I cannot see what it says for anything. Maybe you can, but I cannot. And this is my haul for IGel Beauty. Let me now bring out my stuff from BRC Nails. BRC Nails Tips xpieces.com. Love the red packaging. I'm a repeat customer with Brandy. I love, love, love her products. Here's her business card with her order, which I love. Here's her card. You can screenshot this. You can contact her for your nail art needs. We leave that right there. Here's the card. Hello, darling. Thank you so much for your continued support. It means the world to me. I know you'll feel marvelous once you get playing with these goodies. Thanks again, Brandy, BRC Nails. Love, love, love her cards. Oh, I'm sliding all over the place. There'd be some dragon stickers. I think these are going to be so cute. Cannot wait to use these. Got me some goodies here, some nail art goodies. And she sent me some freebies. We will hold those off to the end. Get itchy nose. Do these one at a time. I ordered some bases to make my own spinners. These are, I can't see what these are. I think they're for Chanel. And they keep clumping together. Chanel. Next we have got, oh, these are, they are gold holographic mask sequins. Love, love, love. Cannot wait to use those. Last but not least, we have got some dessert Fimos. There's a whole bunch in here where I think I may even share some of these with somebody I know. Oh my goodness, look at all these freebies she sent me. Holy cow, Batman. Brandy, thank you so much, and you didn't have to do this. These are some itty bitty little leaves. Let me move that so I can put this here. Those are in gold. Here they are again in silver. Let me do this. Next we have got bigger ones in gold, different leaves. The larger ones in silver. Then we have got some foil. I can't get it open. I can't get my big fingers in here. Brandy, I got big fingers, honey. We have got... Let me open it up. Let me get it open. This looks like galaxy foils. Love me some foils. Well, that is my haul video for today from BRC Nails Tips Pieces.com. 10% off code, capitals, KF for Catherine Ford. Check her page out here on YouTube. Put the code for 10% off, capitals is KF10. You can save yourself 10% off on Brandy's website, which is what I do. Save myself some coins. Hope you've enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my goodies. I cannot wait to play with these. Can't wait to make me some more spinners. These are the large ones, which are shades large and small for the bases of those. Visit BRC Nails here on YouTube as well as Instagram. Check me out on Instagram, just.nailedit. Check out Brandy's store, her website. Support small businesses. I'm really sorry about the phone. Support small businesses. They have to start out someplace, and if it wasn't for us, then there would be no them. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my nail art goodies and my goodies from IGel Beauty and my milky white polish. I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do have a giveaway still going on. I was supposed to draw at 1200. I'm at 1201. I think I'm going to let it go till I hit 1205. It is for everyone, US and international. So please check out that video. I will leave a link up here in the corner, as well as in the description box or at the end cards or something. There'll be a link. There'll be something to be looking for about right now. So yeah, subscribe, click the bell, click all that way you get notified of all future videos, all future hauls, giveaways, any information, you know, could be useful or not useful. It could be just me babbling, you never know. But subscribe. I'd appreciate your support. Love you all. Have a blessed day, and thank you.